I think people need to understand, obviously, this is a call about, the investment opportunities relative to critical materials. And I think everybody needs to open their mind up to the fact that silica per se, high purity silica, is a strategic component of a portfolio that's focused on, the world going out 5 years, 10 years. And I can show you right now how strategic it is relative, but as we burn through a finite commodity, the sand that goes in your child's sandbox is plentiful and will be plentiful for a million years. The sand that goes into silicon, the sand that goes into extra clear glass and solar glass, the sand that goes into silicon carbide, the sand that goes into these optical high-end uses, that is gold. And I think smart investors should realize that and position themselves into undervalued companies that, generally speaking, have very low OPEX, right? I mean, to produce an ounce of gold is super expensive. To produce a ton of silica, whether it's phasals or hours, is super cheap. And so from that perspective, you've got OPEX on your side, you've got CapEx on your side, and you've got a demand curve and supply that's going like this and demand that's going like this. I took Economics 101. I think that's what you're supposed to be looking for.